This is how to reset your clock, your time and date on a BMW 320. Should fit the other 3 series, the time and the date in the dash and also on top of the radio. We're going to be using the iDrive, the joystick, we're going to be using the twisty bit, we're going to be using left and right, and we're going to be pressing it because it's all done through this. So using the screen, we're on the radio, that's where it defaults to normally. So using the iDrive, click left, and then you're into your main menu. Clockwise on the dial to settings and press. Time and date, you can scroll up and down. So if it comes up on something else, just scroll to the time and date and press, and then you're in. So for the time, we press to select the time. So then we go backwards and forwards to where we need it to be, press it to confirm, same again, backwards and forwards for the minutes. Here you can then scroll down, choose either 12 or 24, going up and down, we'll leave it on 24, and then the date, exactly the same again, just press, select the day, press, that's it, and then format if you want it day, month, year, or year, month, day, or month, day, year, same again. Then left and left, back to the main settings, and then you can go back up to your radio to select your radio, and that's done. So as you can see, clock in the dash is done, and now it's checked, clock on the radio is done. So we're all done, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.